As a parent, it's natural to worry about your children, even as they become adults. To ease your concern for your grown children, remember that it's okay to step back and let your child make mistakes. Practice mindfulness by meditating for 5 to 10 minutes daily to focus on your child's abilities and accomplishments, instead of worrying excessively about how they will handle challenges. Be there for your child without giving unsolicited advice, and limit your financial and emotional support to help them build resilience on their own. Journaling can help you process your emotions, while finding a positive outlet like volunteering or other hobbies can be useful in keeping yourself preoccupied and allowing you to manage your worrying. Seek support from other parents and talk openly with your child to reassure yourself that they are capable and strong. Remember, it's normal to worry, but by implementing these tips, you can find peace of mind in your child's journey to independence and adulthood.